welcome to or back to the channel. I'm Shawna. Today we're making Jamaican fruit cake, and I'm giving you guys a little insight of how my mom make some delicious Jamaican fruit cake. All the ingredients are right here. She have been soaking her fruits for weeks. Do you hear me? So right now the kitchen is smelling so Christmassy. Wish you guys could smell what I'm smelling. In this container over here is where she have the fruit soaking for weeks. I can smell the fruits, the Red Nephew wine, the red label wine. It smells so Christmassy in the kitchen right now. I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients. These are all the ingredients. Over here we have a pound of butter. We're gonna use a dozen egg. We have some rose water, allspice, cinnamon, vanilla, browning. Over here you cannot have a Jamaican Christmas rum cake without Ray and Nephew rum. We have red label, we have sugar, breadcrumbs, baking powder, salt, baking flour, and over here, this bowl right here is where all the magic happened. My mom has some fruits soaking for weeks in red label wine, so you know it's going to be delicious, also with some white rum. So this cake right here, if you have too much, if you're Jamaican, you already know. Over here we have a bowl with a mixer, spatula, and you have to have a wooden spoon. If you know, you know. If your mom or your grandma can bake, let them tell you. This right here, combination of goodness. I forgot to mention that you will need a lime to take away the rawness. Just a little lime juice or the zest. I think that's what my mom said, to take away all the rawness from the cake. But everything that you will need to make this delicious cake is right here. Comment down below if you know how to make Jamaican fruit cake, and let me know what you put in your cake. But pretty much this is all ingredients I know for a fact. Okay, I cannot wait to try this cake. I cannot wait to have a bite of this cake. It's so easy to go wrong with this ingredient. Sometimes I've had cake before from people that say they make the best cake. Sometimes the cake is very dry. Sometimes you can barely taste the fruits. Sometimes the wine right here is overpowering. Sometimes you have way too much Ray and Nephew. If you're Jamaican, you know that this right here is very strong. But you have to have the right balance, the right ingredients. My mom is making a 1 pound mixer, and I'm so excited to share with you guys and for us to have a bite together. The first thing we're gonna do, this right here is a pound of butter, unsalted butter. The first thing we're gonna do is to, we call it, rub the butter and sugar together. Yeah. And you have to use a brown sugar. So we're going to get started by rubbing the butter and the sugar together. That's the hardest part, right? Yeah. That takes a lot of muscle or strength. Yep. To rub the butter and the sugar together. Let's get started. Grab yourself your hot cocoa, your chocolate, your eggnog, your wine, your pineapple juice, whatever you like. Sit back, relax, and let's bake together. You won't be seeing my mom's face, but you will be seeing her hands, and you'll be hearing her voice. Mom, say hey to the vlog.
Hi. Hi, guys.
So we
bake with me.
We already measure. This is our scale right here. This is the scale right here, and this is something that my mom do every year. When my grandma was alive, let me tell you, my grandmother came on creative cooking more than once back in Jamaica. If you're Jamaican, you know, you remember creative cooking back in the days. Yeah, my grandma, this recipe right here is my grandmother recipe. My grandmother used to be in the cooking department in Queen's High School. All the girls out there that used to attend Queen's High School, yeah. If you know Miss DeCoster, or ask anyone that used to go to Queen's High School back in the 80s, the 90s, and the late 70s, ask them about Miss DeCoster, okay? Yeah, this right here, yeah, my grandma came on TV with this recipe right here. No jokes. Yeah. Traditions. And it's also best to have your butter at room temperature. After the butter and the sugar is all beaten and combined together, we're adding some eggs. In a 1 pound mixture, how many eggs you use total?
8 eggs.
So for this 1 pound mixture, my mom is using 8 eggs.
Greater the lime skin, known as zest, it helps to keep the rawness from the cake. It backs away the rawness and the taste of the egg, and also using this lime juice also. And this is how we do it.
Can you use the lime juice as well?
Yeah, I'm gonna use the lime juice as well.
So in that way you won't taste the egg?
No.
Okay, we're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. One thing that was missing when I was showing you guys the ingredients was the nutmeg. How many teaspoons of lime juice?
Half teaspoon of lime juice.
Okay. And there you have it. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. How many teaspoons of rose water?
1 teaspoon of rose water.
So 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of rose water, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of rose water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, combine together.
Red label wine, we don't really have a measure for it.
That's a Jamaican thing. Some ingredients we do not have measurement for. We just pour until our ancestors say, hey, data, stop. Now we're gonna add some Ray and Nephew, the good stuff. Don't pour too much, we don't want to get drunk. We are transferring over the mixture into a bigger container.
Because we are going to add in our fruit, so the fruit is going to make it more. Adding the fruits in.
The fruit smells so good. You just add any amount you want to?
Yeah.
You have to have strong arms. Today's your arm workout. Today's your arms day. You have to put your arms in. When you're baking Jamaican food cake, you have to put your arms in it. These are the fruits over here, once again, that's been soaking. The longer the fruit is soaked with the red label and the Ray and Nephew white rum, is the better the cake is. gonna pop it in the oven at 350 for 1 hour. We have 6 cake. Outfit of the day. I'm running to Target to get a few items, and I'm going to use my Target gift card I got for Christmas. I'm running low on a few stuff, and I'm going to Target. A quick simple beat Target run. Top from Fashion Nova, sweats from Old Navy online. They say these sweats are tall girl friendly. I'm like, I don't know about that one, but hey. And my Marc Jacob Snapchat bag. I'm thinking about wearing my black and white Nike sneakers. But yeah, this is the beat for today. Simple. I'm gonna come back home. I have some cleaning to do when I get back home. Not much. Mainly my mirrors. All my mirrors are dirty, like filthy. I need to clean my mirrors. I need to clean my bathroom as well. And I need to touch up in the living area. Like, the mirrors are filthy. I don't know if you guys could tell, but yeah. Also this right here. So I have mostly wiping and dusting to do.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins.
Since I removed my Christmas decor, my living space is looking scanty. So I'm looking for a black decor to have some razzle dazzle to wake up my space. I need something nice to wake up my living space, if you know what I mean. Come on, Target, don't fail me. I also need some throw pillow for my couch. I already have black, so I'm looking for something nice to throw in the mix.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stop with me. Can you take it to the top with me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby.
I love this right here. I think this would be perfect for the chair because it's big. I love this right here, but I'm gonna need 2, and it's $25 for one, and I don't want to spend $50 on 2 throw pillow. Listen, we don't get a break. Christmas is just over, and Target already have spring decor candles. Like, when are we going to get a break to save some money? And these candles smells so good. They're already out with spring refresh decor. It's very spring over here. Like, we need a break. Any one of you guys having a hard time about adulting, listen, congratulations, okay? Adulting is not always easy. Sometimes I question myself, I question my decisions, but well needed. Congrats. I'm gonna honor your trophy. Congratulations. You're doing a good job. Valentine's Day things are out. Again, we do not get a break. For all the love bags, promise, do we have a Valentine this year? Where's your Valentine? Me? For all your, these are cute ish. This candy that they make in roses. For all the lovers, the Valentine's Day things are out. They even made the Sour Patch in art. They changed the box of the Sour Patch. Everything now is gonna be heart. Love is in the air. We do not get a break. Do you hear me? They even have a Lunchable. Do you hear me? The Lunchables are in a heart shape. So all the kids can take a Lunchable for the little crush that they have at school. All the pickle lovers. Okay, of roses. They have a Lego roses. We do not get a break. These are all we got. My mom encouraged me to spend almost $50 on these two throw pillows right here.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. Oh, baby, when you're loving me.
I am making some ground beef for dinner. I picked this up today at BJ's. Over here I'm sauteing some onions and garlic. The amount of ground beef I have, 2 bottles of marinara sauce is not enough. Dinner is served, something different today. I'm having some Stella Rose as well and a nice movie. Listen, last night after I had dinner, I was so beat. Dinner was delicious last night. Do you hear me? I haven't had ground beef the way I made it last night for months. Do you hear me? I was out yesterday at Target and I was like, you know what? I want something different to eat. I'm tired of the oxtail, the fish, the goat meat, the ham, the pork, the beef, the pigtail. I've been eating all those meat since November. We are in the first week of January. I'm like, I'm so over eating the rice and peas, the pasta, the mac and cheese. I'm just over. My body was just craving for something different, so that's what I did. And this is a waist bun for my mom. My body was craving for something different, and that's what I did once again. I went to Target yesterday with my gift card I got for Christmas. Listen, I love Christmas. Christmas this year was a hit. I did not show everything in what I got for Christmas. If you guys haven't checked out that vlog, please do so, what I got for Christmas. I did not show everything I received or everything that I give. And then I didn't want the video to be long and drag out in the first place anyway. So majority of people didn't want to be on camera. Of course, I respect everyone's privacy, and they didn't want to show everything that they got, you know. But Christmas was really a hit, okay? And this year I expect it to be even better. But I did not expect to spend $150 yesterday in Target at all. I went to Target to get some home decor along with 2 throw pillow and some cleaning supplies, because they have like $1, $2 off. If you have Circle, Target Circle, they have like $2.50 discount of certain cleaning supplies. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna spend my Target gift card that I got for Christmas wisely, because 2025, listen, I'm in the saving mood and I'm all about saving. If I can save $1 here or there, that's what I'm about this year. So that's what I did, and I went way overboard. I came home with stuff that I'm like, Shawna, like, girl. But everything I got is things that I needed. This cleaning supplies, his own stuff, you know, home decor. I got this knife set from Amazon. My knives are so dull, it's embarrassing. I hope I made a good choice. It's black. The base is black because I want it to fit in with my kitchen decor, so I went for black. I'm hoping and praying that this knife set here is sharp, because I've been the one I have over there, I got that one from Macy's a year and a half ago, and this one is from Amazon, so 2 different things. I'm just hoping and praying that I made a good purchase. Let me cut a cardboard and see. I hope the year is off to a good start for everyone. This is a bread knife. I haven't had a slice of bread in years, like some 21 years. I am not a bread person to begin with, and since I'm living here in the States, I've never purchased a bread. And back in Jamaica, I wasn't a bread person. I just don't care for bread. And here, if I get like a croissant or a bagel, it came cut or open, so I don't need to make a cut to it, if you know what I mean. But yeah, let's put this together. I hope everyone is having an amazing 2024. Everyone here is off to a good start. The first week for me, nothing other than the norm happened, to be honest. It's the same. Oh, I've gained subscribers and views for the first week of January, so love that. I'm making a note every week what happened in my life, so it's good to know that I gained subscribers and views for the month of January. Love that for me. Just a simple black knife set. Nothing fancy, nothing to it. I just need something sharp to use in the kitchen. It's so annoying. It's so annoying when I'm cutting up fruits and vegetable and my knives are fighting with me. The pressure it puts on my hands to cut is way too much. I am in love with these throw pillow right here. The fact that it's grade 1 and it's very soft. I love this big one. Can you believe this is $25 plus tax? This came out to $26 and some cents. This is the bigger one for $26. My mom and myself was going back and forth, like you saw. We were going back and forth, fluffing up the pillow. She was like, "There's no way, Shawna, you could have one." I was saying to my mom, I'm not paying $53 for 2 throw pillow. No way. So what I did, I felt better with this. I hope I like it. I got one for $26 and this is the smaller size, and I got this for $15. See the difference? That's the difference in sizing. But I'm like, just my heart just couldn't give me to pay $53 for 2 throw pillow. Not doing it. But I'm going to see if it fits well, if I like it. If I do, the cover is removable. There's a zipper right here. I'm going to remove the cover, wash it, and place it in my couch if I like it. First, let's test it out and see if it's a keeper. What do you guys think? Is it a keeper or should I have gotten 2 big ones? Should I have gotten 2 big ones? Over here, this one is small. And this is the bigger one right here. Or should I have gotten 2 big ones?
No, the big one just let us cook seal up everything. But the little one if you can.
You think I need the big one?
Yeah. Take the suckers there and let's get it done.
So you think I need another big one and keep the 2 big one and the 1 small one, or just 2 big ones?
Just 2 big ones. You have the receipt?
You have the receipt. Guys, comment down below and tell me. But I just find it so hard to pay $53 for 2 pillows. What do you guys think? I did went ahead and got another set of this black art on the wall right here. It was so hard to put up, so I returned it. I'm waiting for Leroy to visit the United States of America so he could help me out. Yeah. Okay, so you're saying I need 2 big ones, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I said the chair, you know.
Yeah, because the chair is big and fluffy, so.
Yeah, so when you have a little something like that, it must move.
Okay, so let's go back to Target and spend more money. Thank you, mother. Put your finger right here. Let's test it on you. Put your finger right here.
Put your one first.
Put your finger right here.
So you have 9 for use.
Let me see if it works. Or put your toe.
Oh no, which one are you up to? Like what?
Put your toe. Let me see. I want to see if it works. I'm gonna wash them, and I don't want to see.
I can't give yourself a trademark with my skin.
No, all right. Let's.
It's a carving piece.
No, come on. Let's do it together. It's bonding. Come, it's bonding. I'm gonna
use that and carve out LR. Use the carving piece.
Let me put an S on your end.
No.
Come on.
Use the carving piece and carve out LR.
Let me put an S. Listen, you see. If I'm your dog, if you love me as much as you say, let me put a small, cute S right here.
I love you, but I'm not a stupid man.
So, fingers crossed this work. Fingers crossed it's a good knife set. Oftentimes, the knife set, the first couple times you use it, it's like good. And then they're all the same. So, we shall see. That one is smaller for sure. I'm going to throw away this one right here. Although the knife set comes with a sharpener right here, it doesn't work for me. It has no use at all. It does not work for me. But that's it for this vlog. The first couple days for the new year, it's been same as usual, but I've gained new subscribers, new viewers, so I like that. I did my vision board, I deep clean, I threw away so many clothes, shoes, books, all that. I threw away a sheet spread that I had since last year. I wiped my cupboards down. I changed things around. I took my Christmas tree down. I removed all my Christmas decor. Love that for me. All I need to do today is wash my 2 cars and I'm ready for my work week. I will see. Oh, the cake. Oh, can I forgot the cake? One sec. Okay, I forgot the Christmas cake. So my mom got 6 Christmas cakes. She shipped off 4 to New Jersey. She have a sister and friends in New Jersey, so she made over 4 cake for them. We had 1 cake for ourselves. This is the last one. The cake came out good. It's delicious. I'm gonna cut this today after dinner. It smells so good. Smells so good. And my mom went and had a lot more of the Wray and Nephew rum. She had a lot more of the Wray and Nephew rum in the cake. But it's good. It smells so good. It still smells very Christmas in here. Since I just opened this cake, listen, YouTube needs to have a feature that you guys can smell. So when, you know, we're showing like fragrance and stuff, you guys can see and smell. This smells so good. I'm gonna have a slice for sure. But I see you guys in next week's vlog. I'm excited for next week's vlog because one of my goals for 2025 is to be outside more, meaning take myself on solo dates, you know, socialize more, get to know Charlotte more. So that's one of my goals for 2025 is to, you know, explore my city that I know live in, you know, meet a few friends or so. This year I'm very intentional. Everyone that's in my life in 2025 and moving forward is person that I want to be in my life. Like, you have to have some purpose. I'm very intentional with the friends and the people I'm gonna let in my circle. It's not just you're there just to be there. I'm very intentional. Until next time, hope you all have an amazing week and I will see you guys in next week's vlog.